Alrighty, class. How you doing? Sure you missed me by now after the second day without having me here, unless it's Thursday and you're listening to it on Thursday. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video, so I don't really know what to say. But what I want to do is, since I didn't get a chance to explain to you a couple of key items regarding Excel in Project 5, I wanted to post a video of my screen so that you had a chance to watch it and maybe have a better understanding of it, since I won't be around to ask or answer your questions. So anyways, what I want you to do, once you get these things all filled out, and it would probably help me if I actually had them filled out, but since you already do and I have them partially filled out, that's all you really need to do, or need to know, okay? So let me go ahead and get to the first project since I'm on the third. Just a reminder, make sure that you have all these things on different tabs, okay? And don't be confused right now that you see these chart tabs. It's just that I've used this example before, and I could actually, and should actually, go through and delete these just so they don't confuse you, but I'm not gonna, okay? I'm gonna leave them there. So just don't be confused by them. Pretend that they're not there. And of course, you wouldn't know it, but my computer freezes. But anyways, here we go. Okay, so yours probably looks something like this. If not, I think you got some work to do, okay? But this is it all filled out, my titles, subtitles. Pay no attention to the fact that it's further down because I have the blank one that I showed you the other day, and then I have one that's actually filled out. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go through and you're going to have to chart each one of these tables, okay? And the instructions are pretty much laid out for you right here, okay? They want a 3D column chart, all right? Now, here's the issue. You might have to do some problem solving because your version of Excel has changed, okay? And I haven't had a chance to get the new version installed on my laptop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain it to you as best I can using the example that I have here. Hopefully yours is similar, okay? But what I want you to do is I want you to create a 3D column chart and pay special attention to what I want you to create a 3D column chart of, okay? I want you to show, for the first one, each racer and their age. So, in creating your chart, you simply select the racer's name and their age and select the whole thing. Go up here to the gallery or whatever it has. You're going to insert a chart and just find the 3D column chart. Column 3D. Boom. Okay? That's going to create it right here on the page. And then you're just simply going to click on it and you're going to move the chart to its own sheet. Just like that. And that's all you have to do for the first one. Okay? Move on to project 2. Okay, and here we go. And you're going to have to do a similar thing, okay? Create a chart. But this time, I want you to create a chart, and you can do a 3D column chart again, same one, that will show the racer name and their answer to the survey. So if there was a particular one that you put 2 answers for, and I think there is, just go ahead and just choose one number. As you can see, I only have one number for each one, and you can choose one of those 2 that they selected, and so you only have one number. But this one's a little bit more difficult in the fact that you need to select each one's name, just like that. And then you need to hold down the command button on your keyboard, and that way you can select 2 columns that are not next to each other at the same time. Create your chart, move it to a new sheet, and there you go. Just like that. Now the last one is going to be a lot of fun for everybody, okay? Because undoubtedly yours are all filled out, okay? You have all this data there. But I want you to create a 3D pie chart that shows the ratio of men to women for each year. And all of these 25, because there's 25 years, all these 25 charts have to be on the same page. The first one's easy, okay? The first one is very easy in the fact that you just select the number of men, number of women, and then select the data, and there you go, okay? And for the first one, you are going to move the chart to a new sheet. Just like that. And to resize these, you have to click in the corner here, not on the chart, but just outside. And that will allow you to resize it. Now, here's where it gets slightly tricky, okay? You have to change the chart title. Now, I think you might have to do some problem solving, class, because I don't think you have the toolbox just like I do. And then the fact that I can just go here and change the title because it was the year 2006. And then I can take and move the chart title right here. Okay? So you're gonna have to, you might have to figure that one out. So hopefully that goes good for you. If not, we can work on it. Now, moving down is when it gets more difficult. Now I don't have data in there, so I'm just gonna add some, just like that. And there we go. Now you have to use that command key again on your keyboard. Select number of men and women, let go of the mouse, hold down the command key, and select the data for that year. Remember, that's 2005. Do another pie chart. Move it. Now this time, it's going to be as object in. I think it was chart 6. And boom, there we go. Maybe just make it just a little bit smaller. And it's not letting me. But it's going to let me. There we go. And go ahead and give it a chart title. Oops. There we go. What year? 2005. Good job. And there you go. And repeat that only about 23 more times and you will be done. Okay? And once you're done, save it. Don't turn it in. I want to go over it. But actually, you got more to do, and then I should go over, and I actually forgot, is the sort command. Sorry about that. And sorting is very easy. For example, it's going to tell you that you need to sort descending racer age. Very easy to do. All you're going to do is select your entire table, including your column headings and your row headings. Do not select the titles here. Notice I selected the column headings and the row headings in the data. Go up to data, sort. If you don't remember what you needed to sort by, it says sort descending racer age. Okay, and I want to do a quick before and after. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you this chart. Check it out. It's all over the place. Okay, so we need to go back here. Sort descending racer age descending. Click OK, and it sorts it. Okay, so now we have the oldest runner all the way down to the youngest runner, just like that. Check out the chart. Check out the chart. What chart? There we go. I was looking at the wrong chart. See? It sorted it. Wonderful. I got so many charts going here that I'm probably, hopefully not confusing you, but just a lot going on. Okay? So there you have it. Okay? Sorting works. And you're going to do different sorts for the second one and the third one, and you can handle it by now. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Like I said, just save it. Don't turn it in at this point. Hopefully yours look just like mine. Maybe the colors are a little bit different, but I hope you're learning a lot. I hope you're having fun, and I hope you all have a good weekend. And that's all I have for you.